Today, I'm presenting the article Minds vs. Machine by Kuraishi and Karata. The authors compare AI-generated summaries with those created by teachers in English classroom. They conducted an experimental study where learners evaluated summaries based on accuracy, clarity, and usefulness. The main finding is that while AI can summarize text quickly and accurately, teachers summarize better support learners' comprehension and critical thinking. For this slide, highlights the core points. AI can generate summaries quickly and consistently, but teachers provide and support critical thinking. The study uses criteria like accuracy, clarity, and relevance to evaluate summaries. Other research confirms that while AI helps with reading efficiency, teacher involvement is crucial for deeper comprehension. Combining AI tools with teachers' guidance can optimize ELT practices. And how the technology will improve teaching? AI summarization tools can significantly improve classroom efficiency. They save time, offer multiple perspectives, and can adjust to individual learners' levels. However, teacher guidance is essential to ensure that students still engage critically with the material. Research supports using AI as a complementary tool, not a replacement, to maintain pedagogical effectiveness. And for the last slide, how I plan to use the technology in my future teaching. In my future teaching, I plan to use AI to create draft summaries of reading text. I would then edit these to suit my students' need, ensuring comprehension and engagement. I also intend to have students compare AI and teacher summaries with which research shows can improve critical thinking and reading skills. So overall, AI will act as a supportive tool to enhance learning, not replace the teacher's role. Thank you everyone for listening.